post-trade systems are the foundation of the electronic trading architecture. They are distributed and interconnected. Post-trade systems have complex operational schedules, and it sometimes takes a few days to test the workflows that are supposed to happen according to the schedules. You have to structure all your test actions properly to get the meaningful output. Our ClearTH tool was specifically designed for testing systems with this type of complexity in mind. ClearTH detects if any issues, or so to say cracks, manifest themselves in the workflows of post-trade systems, checks that the base is solid and works reliably, and that all required conditions are taken into account, as every detail must be just right. ClearTH has a built-in schedule that is set up to follow the cycle of post-trade systems under test. The automated test cases are run according to it. The test scripts are developed as human-readable CSV files. Excel or even Notepad can be used to create them. The test scripts consist of actions. Actions are grouped into what we call global steps to reflect the schedule of a typical business day or a number of business days. So step by step, action by action, ClearTH tests the system, producing a thorough report about the testing process. If some actions in a test script were performed in a strange, unexpected order, or if some mandatory parameters are missing, you'll receive a hint. ClearTH allows multiple users to test the system concurrently, which makes the testing more effective. Post-trade systems use industry-standard solutions to implement their functions, for example, the Swift standard for message definition or message queue as the transport layer for message exchange. ClearTH supports many out-of-the-box protocols as well as custom-made ones, so it natively speaks the same language as most post-trade systems. ClearTH provides capabilities to test multiple scenarios, even the most unconventional. By simulating different actions and conditions, ClearTH allows detecting abnormal behavior in the system under test by predicting future issues in that system. It has many built-in actions and prototypes to cover the majority of activities. ClearTH can send messages and verify the responses, analyze the database the system works with, check logs and reports. Post-trade is responsible for clearing the dust and turning the outcome of electronic trading into rock-solid legal agreements. By covering as many aspects of post-trade systems as possible with tests, ClearTH essentially allows you to grow your post-trade infrastructure in a safe and predictable manner. That is, by ensuring that the technology solutions that underpin the infrastructure work properly and according to standards and specifications. ClearTH is like Earth.